Hey Mallrats, the SM Megamall Carousel Busway is now open. Ground level Mega A between McDonald's and Starbucks. So it's over there on the other side. Let's check it out later. Hey guys, the EDSA Megamall EDSA Carousel Busway Station is finally open. It is April 5, 2026. See that? There's a long line though. People, oh shit, the bus going. So let's check it out. It's Easter Sunday. I think it opened yesterday. Let's ask. Excuse me, bossing, kailan nagbukas yung bus?
Bus?
Oo, yung station. Oo.
Overpass ng April 1.
April 1? Okay. Sige. Thanks. So supposedly, it opened on April 1, which was Holy Monday? Holy Week, essentially. But I don't think so, because I was literally there on Wednesday. On not Ash Wednesday, but Holy Wednesday. And it was not letting people through yet. So yeah. But the EDSA Carousel Busway Station here at SM Megamall is now open. Alright, so that's the EDSA Carousel Busway Station here at SM Megamall. So there's an escalator going up and down. Actually, there was an elevator going up and down. This is the escalator going up, but no escalator going down. Stairs lang. So stairs going down, escalator going up. That's a little cheap. Let's go on to the busway. Okay guys, let's check out this busway. EDSA Busway, SM Megamall. So here you guys can see the bridge only goes to SM Megamall. So there is no other side of EDSA bridge. So if you are coming from the other side, you're screwed. You still probably have to pass the MRT station, which I think is still open. It's a little packed, guys. It's a little packed. Some of the lines are northbound, some southbound. So this line is southbound. That's northbound, I guess. I'll go there, I guess. Okay. Medyo puno, medyo puno. Medyo puno. Boss, pasay! That's yeah, hold on. So southbound, that's the loading for southbound. Northbound is over there. Did they change? Because the MRT station, the Ortigas MRT station carousel is connected to this. I wonder if the lines are separate or the same then, because since Megamall did not build a other side, people coming from that side are screwed. So both stations have to be open at the same time. So is this an additional station? Because this cannot replace the Ortigas MRT station, right? but I think it does. Oh, wait. Okay, guys. So, yeah, hearsay. Well, they wouldn't know, but supposedly it's a conflict between Star Mall. I thought Megamall SM did not want to spend on the other side, but I'm guessing it makes sense that Star Mall does not want a bridge to SM because people would go from Star Mall to SM. But so there's still a connection to the MRT station here, southbound. Southbound. But the lines for the bus are now there, which is better for traffic since there's a bottleneck here. So the buses which used to stop there and here now stop there. It's a little bit wider, and then the people northbound can get off Megamall, but you can still access the MRT station, which we're not gonna go because that's a bit far. But let's check it out. Okay. Wow, I've never seen this place so empty. But yeah, so people can still access the MRT Ortigas Station from here. So actually this is good for commuters because it's now easier and safer to get to the MRT station southbound, because you can now cross the bridge from Megamall into the Megamall Busway, walk down here, and then go get into the southbound MRT Ortigas Station. The northbound, you still have to go out here and then cross here and then cross there. So that makes a lot of commuters' lives, including myself, a lot easier. Yeah. So far there's a little bit chaos, but it's Easter Sunday, so people are still probably getting all chaos and stuff. Yeah. Anyway, so that was the... Well, no. We'll have our final words once we're back in Megamall. So there is no bridge southbound. Supposedly it's a Star Mall thing, but honestly it doesn't really go out to Star Mall, so I don't know. Maybe SM really didn't want to spend on the other side. It's probably several million to the way it looks. It's actually probably several dozen million pesos. Remember the Kamuning station cost like about 23 million pesos, and the SM stations, this one and North EDSA, are a lot more expensive looking. There's acrylic paints and stuff, tempered glass. So it's a possibility that SM just didn't want to spend on the other side. Government depending on the private sector to fix its mistakes, and it was a massive mistake. The carousel system is a massive mistake in my opinion, because the buses used to be on the side, now they're in the middle. They wanted to control access, I guess, but now it's hard for pedestrians to get to the bus, and the government wasn't willing to shell out stuff. They want to shell out money for the infrastructure, and it's now highly dependent on the private sector to do that. So SM decided to make the Megamall bus station, but the other side does not exist. Probably costs a lot because of the elevators and stuff too. Yeah. So it's a possibility SM just didn't want to spend for it. It's also a possibility that there was a rights issue with Star Mall, although the way I see it, this is not Star Mall. The Star Mall starts way on the other side of Julio Vargas, so they wouldn't have any control over that. I don't think Villar owns this land, right? It's a bunch of billboards and warehouses and stuff. Honestly, there's nothing really there. But this brings the MRT Ortigas EDSA Busway Station closer to Shaw Boulevard on that side, and This is still maintained, so there's still a link to Ortigas Avenue, although I wish they would have an actual Ortigas Avenue bus stop, because I used to get off in front of Robinson's Galleria, or the other side, the POEA side. And well, that's not a possibility anymore. So if you want to get off at Ortigas Avenue, you have to get off at MRT Ortigas Station, and then walk, and then get off the you get out of the MRT Ortigas Station, and then whether you're on the southbound side or the northbound side of EDSA, well, it's still quite a ways to walk. ADB, of course. Anyway, so there you go, guys. That was the EDSA it's still the EDSA Ortigas / SM Megamall EDSA Carousel Busway Station. It's now open as of April 5, 2026. Megamall. Hey, this also gives a fast way to Megamall from the MRT station. So you get off southbound, and then you go down to the busway, and then you go up here, and it's faster than walking alongside EDSA. That's cool. So this is the way to the okay, I see. There's a long station. This probably cost them a pretty penny. It looks like it costs more than the North Avenue one, even though that one crosses EDSA. I sure hope we're not gonna run out of kuryente. So this wall facing Megamall is actually made of wood. So that's temporary. They're gonna, once the building A renovation finishes, they're gonna link it with a bridge to Megamall itself. So that's nice. That's nice. There you go, guys. Bus station, and then entrance to Megamall. There you go. Woo! I'm gonna sit down. Wow, they're really full today, huh? There you go, Mallrats. That was the new EDSA Carousel SM Megamall Busway, bus station, bus stop, whatever. Yeah, so in short, there's now a bridge from the side of SM Megamall to the carousel. You don't have to walk all the way to the Ortigas MRT anymore. However, since there's no other side of EDSA than the southbound side of EDSA connection, the MRT Ortigas Station is still connected to the bus bay. So you can actually use this pathway to traverse and get onto the southbound MRT station through the busway. That's good. This will make commuting so much easier. Although you guys can see there's a fuel crisis right now, and the MRT is shut down because it's Easter Sunday. So that's why you guys can see the line is down here on the first floor. I think that's northbound though. The southbound line is not as long actually. But you know, these will normalize once the MRT starts working again. People figure out their schedules and stuff. And yeah, there you go, guys. So thank God the station is now finally open. This will be easier to get off the carousel. This will be easier for people riding the EDSA Carousel getting to the EDSA Ortigas Megamall station. because before you used to get off there at the MRT station, you had to walk southbound, so you walk down, you cross the bridge, and then you walk to Megamall, and that sucks. Now you just get off here, you get an elevator or an escalator up. There are escalators going up, and then you cross the bridge, you get off, and now you're at SM Megamall. Of course, you can still get off the get off at the MRT station. That's always cool. Anyway, hope that helped you guys out. You guys know what to do? Give the video a like. I really went around station and stuff for you guys, so please, I need a like. Hey, we're hoping to reach monetization by the end of the year, so please throw the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys like what we do here. I'll see you guys in my other videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.
Honestly, that line is insane, okay? I've never seen that line before. Well, okay, they're wrapped around that station, but they should not shut down the MRT on Holy Week. Because you guys see this? Philippine government. Okay, take a look at the lines for the bus on Easter Sunday. Okay, both northbound and southbound. Do not shut down the MRT. You get your maintenance during New Year anyway, right? Or Christmas, I forget. Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, you do your maintenance and stuff. Unless you have to do that twice a year, in which case, I don't know. But please do not shut down the MRTs on Holy Week, because you guys see the pila here. Okay, kailangan namin umuwi. Okay, so that's gonna suck. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Happy commuting.